everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is a sheet pan sausage and potatoes recipe. A full meal on a sheet pan. It was delicious and so easy, so we highly recommend it. If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog, out.
All right, as Yoda said, we're making sheet pan sausage and potatoes in the oven. It's really easy. All you need is some pre-cooked kielbasa or sausage, which mine is beef kielbasa. Just a pound of that. So I sliced it into rounds, and then either purple onion, or I don't know if this is purple or, yeah, I guess it is. Purple onion sliced into rounds, and then mixed together with some potatoes, 2 pounds of potatoes that you chop up into cubes. So we've mixed this all together on our sheet pan to go in the oven with olive oil and Italian seasoning and the blend, salt, pepper, and garlic, because it's called for salt and pepper, but why do that when you can add garlic? So I put it in there, I mixed it together, and then I put some more of the seasoning on top after I mixed it all together. And so it's going to go in a 425-degree oven, and we are going to cook it for 40 to 45 minutes, and you about halfway through you turn it again, so toss them again, and I will show you the finished product. All right, so I had in the oven about 45 minutes, but it's just until it's done. So these potatoes are done, everything's done, so you just want it to your desired doneness and color. So I kept mine in there for 45 minutes, but it's totally up to you. They said start checking at 30 minutes, but it's delicious and so easy. So I highly recommend it. Happy Monday.